healthy lifestyle naman ang hatid ng isang drugstore para sa mga Pilipino, kung saan iba-ibang activities ang kanilang inihanda, kabilang na nga ang fun run na Suki Dash 2026. Si Vincent Roque nakatutok.
Are you ready to run for your health? Pagdating sa kalusugan, bawal ang makupad. Humanda na sa kauna-unahang fun run na Suki Dash 2026 sa Philinvest City, Alabang, Muntinlupa sa August 30. The goal is not just to run and flex. Kasama na ito sa mission ng isang drugstore na ma-achieve ang good health. Kaya naman sa arangkada ng Suki Dash 2026, hinihikayat ang mga tao na yakapin ang healthier at active lifestyle.
At Mercury Drug, caring for health and well-being of every Suki has always been at the heart of what we do. While we have been a trusted healthcare partner for generations, we believe that good health goes beyond providing medicines. It also means encouraging healthier lifestyle, building stronger and more active communities, and empowering people to make wellness a lifelong commitment. That is the inspiration behind Mercury Drug Suki Dash.
Not your ordinary fun run dahil marami activity ang naghihintay sa mga valued customer.
It's not just a race. It's really encouraging people to live a healthy lifestyle, and then when they go back to the race village, hindi natatapos yung experience sa takbo lang. No, sa Race Village, ang dami pong partners si Mercury who will do wellness activities, sampling, and a lot of activities inside there.
Sa mga runner, you may enjoy categories sa Suki Dash like 3 kilometers, 5 kilometers, and 10 kilometers. May pabonus pa sa mga participants gaya ng race kits, finishers entitlements, and loot bags. Para kay Coach Alaric, mahalaga at makatutulong ang event na ito para sa running community sa Pilipinas.
Si Mercury po ay ngayon po pumapasok sa panahon na importante na po alagaan ang ating katawan, bukod po sa pagtatakbo. So, with this one po, maganda pong meron po tayong ganitong activity which is actually relatable, lalo na nga kasi nga active na po ating Filipino community.
Kaya naman, run for a healthy lifestyle. Ano, tara? Vincent Roque, IBC News.